Hello dear fans. What is cartography? Cartography is a science that studies, simulates, displays the location of objects and natural phenomena in space, studies their combination and relationship with each other and society. The subject of cartography classifies it more as a natural science. The objects of cartography are the Earth, the starry sky, celestial bodies, the universe. Cartography studies the types and classification of maps, techniques and methods of their analysis, ways of displaying objects in space on a map, sign system. Science examines the sources used in the construction of maps, makes their systematic review and analysis, develops theory, technology of design, creation of maps and their use. Popular results of cartography, which are understandable to most people, are figurative symbolic models of space, presented in the form of globes, flat, relief and volumetric maps. These models can be created on paper, plastic, or as an electronic image. Geographic maps are of great practical importance. They are widely used for cultural, educational, national economic and defense purposes. Cartography is closely related to other sciences. After all, the maps display information related to a variety of knowledge systems. In this regard, several sections of cartography are distinguished: historical, geological, economic cartography, etc. Cartography is very closely related to geography and geodesy. Geodesy provides accurate data on the shape and size of the Earth to this science. Aerial topography and topography create primary sources for cartography. Large-scale topographic maps. Maps can also be created in laboratory, office, conditions when processing various sources, economic and statistical, geographical, etc. A team of specialists with different qualifications takes part in the creation of the map. Moreover, at all stages of its production, a unified scientific and technical guidance is produced, which is usually called map editing. Works on the manufacture of the original map include building a cartographic grid, transferring the content of sources, drawing the original in the system of signs. According to the primary original, the maps are prepared for publication, while the required number of copies is printed. The compiled maps are for geography and other sciences related to cartography, an effective tool for exploring space, relationships and combinations of natural and social phenomena. The young branch of science is digital, computer, cartography, which appeared thanks to modern computer technologies. Computer cartography is quite capable of changing the ways of visualizing space, without cancelling the existing methods of recalculating coordinates during the process of displaying on the plane of the Earth's surface. Thanks for watching.